today I'm going to do a quick video around setting up a Google account. Now, I was asked a few weeks ago how to set up a YouTube channel, and the first thing you need to do is have a Google account. So I'll go from step one, which is setting that up, and then from there you can set up a YouTube channel and then start uploading or live streaming your videos to become a YouTuber. So the first thing you need to do is go onto your Google browser, so the Google website within a browser, so google.co.uk if you're in the UK. Select the sign in button, and then from here, because I'm assuming you haven't got a Google account, you've got a create account. For myself, or to manage my business, I'm going to go for myself, and then I'll just have to put in some bogus information here. So let's have a think. So if I call myself Cooper Watts, and so I want to say Cooper Watts at Gmail, and my password will be whatever it is. Okay, don't want to give my phone number, or can I just go through this? Maybe I can just click next. No, it needs a date of birth, so I'll just say anything really, and I am a male. Go through the privacy, so I'll agree all that, and create account. This Google account is set up to include personalization features. Well, that's great, thanks very much. And boom, I'm in. So there we go. So now I've got a little C up in the top corner, so I'm signed in as Cooper Watts, and that's it. So from here on in, I will now be able to go to YouTube. So youtube.co.uk, is it? I can't even remember. And now I should be able to sign in up here with my Cooper Watts account. I don't know why it's giving me all this information, but if I go to sign in, and it's actually taken that the fact that I was signed in Google, it's given me a sign in here. It's automatically signed me in, and from here now I can just go create, and I can either upload a video or go live and then start my my video channel. So if I wanted to go live here, I just press on that, get started. What do I want? Use your username, use your name, create your channel using a picture and my Cooper Watts. So I'll say select, and then it just allows me to just tell everybody about my channel, and effectively if I filled all that in, but I'll set that up later. And here we go. So now I'm got no subscribers yet, but I'm ready to upload a video, customize my channel. Like I say, you should be able to go live, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful. Any questions regarding what I've covered today, put down in the comments, and I will attempt to help you out and answer them. And in the next video that I do, we'll go on to actually doing a video, upload a video, and do a live stream. And hope that was helpful. Thanks very much. Bye for now.